All right, what's up, you guys? It's Bakari So Real back again with a So Real trading video. Today is day 75, and we staying alive. You know what I'm saying? It's day 75, and we still alive, man. We still alive. That's all you can ask for. Um, hey, man, yesterday we had high hopes on gold rising up, but I shouldn't be surprised that gold did make this drop anyways, because I stated before that with that Wednesday close, or that Tuesday close, whatever you want to call it. Um, it was green several weeks in a row. Um, so we knew that a red candlestick was bound to happen for that day. So this is where we're at. If you watched the previous video, you see that I said that we can pop up to 4,800. We can even pop up to 5,000, leave a wick for the week, right? This is for, let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's zoom out real quick. Zoom out to the weekly time frame. So for the week, we could still tap 48. We could still go to 4,800, or we can go down to 4,500 for a body candlestick close. For a wick, we can wick up as high as 5,000, and we could wick down as low as 4,400, as low as 4,400 to wick down. Um, we know that 4,300 is our invalidation line. So if we break below 4,300, chances are we'll be dropping below. Um, chances are we'll be dropping below. Uh, we only have a certain amount of time before we can see all-time highs. You know, we only have a certain amount of time before we see all-time highs by the end of the year. Um, we're going into September now. This is the last week of August. Um, like I said, guys, I don't have no crystal ball or anything, but I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. I still have long positions. We're gonna get into our scalp trading, and we take all this off. So we had gaps here, we had gaps here. So the week can still flip. I really don't have an answer for right now. I'm really now just gonna chill and just see how the rest of this week reacts. I'm just gonna hold the positions that I have and see how the rest of this week reacts. We move to the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we've completed this first candle. It's still not done yet, but we're gonna see how high. We're gonna see where it closes at. Take this off. We see that we do have a little top wick here. It wicked up to 46.80. Um, hopefully September is a good month. Seeing how much strength we have on the buy side, I'm hoping September can smash through. I think if September was to come down and take out these levels of 4,300, 4,200, if September was to come down and take out these levels, it would be hard to say that we're still bullish. It'd be hard to say that we're still bullish. We know that overall we got to come back down to at least 2,500. We know that we got to come back down to at least 2,500 overall. Um, as you see on my chart right here. But I don't have us coming down until towards the end of the year. I don't have us starting to flip until like December or November or January. I have us doing kind of like the same thing that happened this year is like how we pumped all the way till December, January, February, then we started coming down. That's what I have going. If my mind changes, if things change, then I'll change it. But right now, that's just what I have going. That's just the idea that I have. Um, I don't think anything will be invalidated unless we break below 4,300. If we drop below 4,300, then yeah, that'll be our invalidation line. If we drop below 4,480 or 4,465, then that's um that's crucial. That's a crucial point. One thing that we can do is we can place sales until we get a confirmation on buy opportunity. We can place sales. I wouldn't place a buy until we break back above 46.55, 46.55. If we break back above 46.55, I would place a buy and I would have my stop loss at 4,500. And I'm looking for swing trades. I'm looking for swing trades. I already have some swing trade positions. So if we do cross above 46.55, I would say 46.60. If we cross above 46.60, I'm going to risk 160 points. But until then, I'm not going to place any more trades. Until then, I'm not going to place any more trades unless we cross back above 46.60. So I could put a buy stop. I could put a buy stop at 46.60 with a stop loss at 4,500. With a stop loss at 4,500, I could risk 160. If we go from 46.60, 1,000 points will be at 1,000 points will take us to all time, will take us almost at 1,000 points will take us to all time highs. 1,000 points will take us to all time highs. Now, if we break above 46.60 and we start dropping back below 4,600, I'm gonna open up another sale with my stop loss at 46.60. If I open up another sale with my stop loss at 46.60, if we break below 4,600, or not 4,600, what is this? Yeah, let's just say 4,600. If we break below 4,600, I'm gonna place a sale to cover that. I'm gonna place a sale to cover that. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. The thing is that this week right here, we take these wicks away. A lot can happen in 1 week. We can move 1,000 points in 1 week. It's been done already. What is that? How many points is that? That's 580 points. 580 points in 1 week. 580 points or 500 and whatever. 500 points. 500 points in 1 week. This one was 600. 600 points in 1 week. All it takes is 1 week and we could be at 600 points. All it takes is 2 weeks for gold to hit all-time highs from here. In 1 month, imagine that. Imagine that. Imagine waiting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, imagine waiting all these months and then for us to hit this in 1 month. So it can happen in 2 weeks. Bull markets are not that long. Bull markets are not that long. So right now I have some positions. And we're gonna see how it plays out. I personally need a break. This is day 75. Hey, everything's not gonna be pretty, y'all. So if you're watching this video, shout out to you, man. I'm sorry. Go watch my previous videos. Stay tuned for the next ones. Um, I'm sorry, y'all. I just need a break, but I'll be back for day 76. But I am giving y'all information even on this video. I am telling you that, hey, this can take 2 months or this can take 2 weeks. We know that. We know that this can take 2 months or this can take 2 weeks. If you missed the push in these last 3 weeks, if you missed the push, you still have a chance. If you're willing to risk 500 points from here, you still have a chance if you're willing to risk 500 points from there. You still have a chance. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. Wishing you guys nothing but much love, much success, much abundance, much peace, much prosperity, much joy. All that, man. See you guys on the next one. Come on.